Hey y'all, Diamond Penny Cajun. How are y'all doing today? I have a unbagging today that I'm gonna do for y'all that finally came in. But before I start that, I want to say welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. If you have not subscribed yet, please think about doing so, as this helps my channel. I would really appreciate it. Today, I have an unbagging from a company called WISKF. It's WISKF.com, WISKF. It is a PR package that I received to do for them. I've never tried this company before, and I've never tried their products before. They do, I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit about them. Okay, so they sell tote bags, tote handbags, linen tote bags, linen. They all printed if you choose to have them printed on. They zipped tote bags, they sell cosmetic bags, they sell pillowcases, printed linen pillowcases, like for couches and stuff. Yeah, so those are some of the things they sell. Tote bags, aprons, and they're all printed. You can choose your print or whatever. And yeah, so I do have a code. It's Cajun05 off. Cajun05 off for 5% off if you order anything. Use that code. I'm gonna put everything in the description box below so that you'll have it. So if you do decide to order anything from them, you can get 5% off. So yeah, and all the links to the items that I'm gonna show you will be in the description box below as well. So those are some of the things I wanted to mention before getting started. Now I'm gonna open this package and show y'all, but I need some scissors. Yeah, I went to the eye doctor today. I'm gonna tell y'all about that after. Let me show y'all this. Well, I don't want to cut it. Wait, I might not need to. I would not need to. I'm scared to cut it. Y'all know me too, right? Y'all already know. Well, I did. Oh Lord, if I can take it out. I did get something a little different. Struggle is real. Oh, good Lord. All right. So, oh wait, let me take it out of the I don't know why, y'all. I was on this. I'm still on this cat. I don't know thing. Yeah. But I got this one. Y'all, tell me this is not cute. Look how cute this is. It's like an old-fashioned ice cream shop. And it has kittens. I love it. I wanted something different. I wanted something different to try, so everybody could see something different on my channel. So, yes, look. Just look at this thing, y'all. It's so cute. Look how cute it is. Look them kittens. Y'all, that's just too cute. Look at that. I love it. So, this one has handles, and it's a good tote bag. I mean, I love it. And it zips. It zips, y'all. It zips. Look at the room in here. Look at the room inside. It's like deep. It really is deep. I love it. Y'all, it zips and everything. It has handles. I'm going to stand up and model it for y'all. So it's about, I'm short, so it's about this length. Like, I really love it. I'm going to show y'all the back side of it too. It is so cute. Look how cute. And look, the back is like a gray. And it, y'all, I just really like it. Inside, it also has a zipper portion inside. If y'all can see that. It has a zipper portion inside, so you can put stuff in here as well. Well, this one's kind of, okay, yeah, there you go. Look. It has a zipper pocket for inside. In case you want to put your phone or something, I don't know. Like you're going to the beach, this would be a good towel holder if you're going to the beach. So I'm going to show you the inside again. And it has like the kind of flat bottom, so it'll stand up if you have stuff in it. But I really like it. Look how cute. This is too cute. I love it. Thank you, Whisk, for sending me these products. I really appreciate it. I really, really do. I love it. I'm going to go on to the next one. I can never open these bags, y'all. I can't. I can't. So, this one is, look, y'all. Oh my God. Y'all know that I like ocean scenes and farm stuff. Two favorite things. Oceans, farms, then like girls, excuse me. Like the girls, like Butterfly Brielle and all them. And I also like Hannah Lynn's stuff. But y'all know I like oceans. Oceans and farms and farm scenes and stuff like that. Anything to do with oceans and the sea. Of the sea and farm. But look how pretty this is. And it goes around to the other side as well. And this is the straps. It has some sturdy straps. The straps are real sturdy. And it's a I'm not sure what kind of material. The other one's linen, the other material, but this one's like really tough. And it has straps as well. And this is like more of a beach bag. This one has it's big in there. It doesn't stand up though, but it's a pretty good size. So the straps are, you know, I mean, I'm short, so past my hip. I'm like 4'10", but it's still a nice bag and it's so pretty. Look, you can put diamond paintings in here and bring that to the beach with you when you're at the beach. Put it on a little lap desk or something. You can put beach towels in here, or you can use it for shopping bag. I mean, whatever you choose to use it for. But it's really, really cute. I love it. I really, really love it. The colors are so pretty. Doesn't it make you feel like you're in the ocean, though? I mean, I love it. So those are the two products that WISKF, WISKF.com, WISKF. Those are the two products they sent me to review on my channel. And I'm going to try them out. And I'm going to let y'all know how it works out because I have grandkids, as y'all know. And they always, whenever we go somewhere, I could like to put snacks or whatever. I could put snacks in there and, you know, whatever for them. But, yeah. So, thank you, Whisk. I really appreciate the products. And I'm going to try them out and let everybody know how it goes. So, thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you guys watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and feel free to leave comments in the comment section below. Everything that I talked about here, I'm sorry about the dog, y'all. Everything I talked about here will be in the description box below. I'll put the links to everything. And I really appreciate y'all watching. Love you guys. Bye.